everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make garlic bread. It's simple and very easy to make. Let's get started. First, you need some bread, some butter, and some garlic powder. A small bowl, some measuring spoons, and a knife. Measure out a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of salted butter. Use your knife to mix the butter and the garlic powder. After squashing it a few times, the butter will get a lot softer. If you need to cut your bread, do so now, and then spread your butter and garlic mixture on top of the bread. Put the pan on the fire and have it on a medium heat. In a few moments, when it's hot enough, put the bread in the pan, butter side down. After a minute or two, you can have a look to see how brown it's getting. And when it's ready, take them out. Question 1. What dishes go well with garlic bread? Question 2. What kind of bread did you use and why? Question 3. How many vampires did you scare away?